about to open my Ninja blender. It came from Amazon. Yeah, the packaging is just a little shady. Like they repackaged my shit. Look, it's a hole in the box. Okay. They didn't conceal it. Take this tape off. My box is a little bruised, but that's okay. That's just the outside. I'm not tripping. This is what's supposed to come in it. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Directions, self-explanatory. Ooh, a cookbook, a ninja book, nicely packaged. Ideas, which you can always use more ideas. This is the packaging. Oh, nice. Sweet, that's going to be very powerful. Secure. Excuse me. Excuse me. Outside, I'm allergic to the outside. Ever since COVID came. This is a very powerful blender base. It's an extra top. Yep, I'm excited. Thanks, Amazon. Hello, everybody. So, I'm gonna do first let me fix my clothes. Oops. Nothing. I'm gonna do a demonstration video, okay? So this is the Ninja blender. This is the 700 watt base. It is phenomenal looking. I'm very satisfied with the way it looks. I think it's gonna work just great. Look at this, it's compact. It's on my countertop. I got some other stuff on my countertop too, but it's next to my KitchenAid mixer. It is tiny. It's gonna fit in just great. I'm gonna actually conceal it or maybe put it in a cabinet. Whatever, this is the book that came with it. This is the packaging that came with it. So anyway, I'm gonna do a demonstration video, even though this stuff is like self-explanatory, but I'm gonna do it anyway. This is the bottom. This is the powerful blade that's gonna break everything that I'm putting in here down. So my husband gonna be mad I'm using some of his coconut water. Some of that in there. I got some Kill. Put some of that in there. Coconut water Kill, frozen Kill. This is a mixture of banana, strawberry, and blueberry. Let's set up. Put some of that in here as well. Ouch. Let's see, I'm gonna have to break that up a little bit. Let's see if I can get it going. Whew, ouch, that hurt. like when I pushed that down in there, that cup just expanded on the sides a little bit. I don't know if that was supposed to happen, if that's an added feature to it, or if your girl just be messing stuff up. Anyway, throw the rest of that in there. This is supposed to be peaches, but I'm pretty sure it's more strawberries. I think I put strawberries in a peach bag. I did. I'm just gonna put the rest of this in here with that. Okay. We're gonna add a little honey. That's too much honey. This is not how I make my smoothies, okay? I'm sorry, I'm just trying to demonstrate to y'all. I like spirulina. I don't know if y'all use spirulina, but spirulina is gonna turn this green. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of it. This is basically algae. I'm just gonna use a little bit today. And I also do use protein powder, but I can't see my protein powder, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this smoothies. I literally am just out unboxing this thing and using this after I washed it. I unboxed it, washed it, and now I'm using it. So y'all gonna see how it works for the first time, just like I do. Okay, so we got our kale in there, we got our honey, we got our veggie, or I'm sorry, our fruit. Now, and then we got coconut water, and then what else do we have in there? Coconut water in the bottom, kale, fruit, spirulina, and Slim Fast. We're gonna put our little top on. Oh, wait a minute now. The top ain't twisting too good. Okay, so when you put your top on, you gotta push down on it to twist it. Okay. Mix all our stuff up in there. Hopefully it mixes right. Oh, so you put it on and you push down on it to blend. As you can see, when we put our strawberries in, they did not move. So shake it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna have to take this top off and maybe jog these strawberries down further in this container. Do it again. Okay, so as y'all can see, everything else is blending around the strawberries, but the strawberries is not. When I told you I put it in there and it kind of felt weird, like it, I don't know, like the cup expanded to fit the strawberries or something. So I'm gonna push the strawberries up further so that they can hit the blade. It's yummy. Let's push down on this. Let's get them strawberries broken up. Strawberries. It's powerful though. You can feel the difference between this one and other cheap ones I bought. I got those strawberries down lower. Let's see if it breaks the strawberries up. Protection plan, but I don't think I'm gonna need that, but I'm glad I got it anyway. So far, using this thing right now, today, I'm giving this thing all 5 stars. This sucker is powerful. It is sleek, a lightweight design. I'm loving it. I'm loving the design already. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, I wish I could show y'all how it blended, but y'all can see through the cup. It blended so flawlessly. Look at this. That's good. That's actually better than I expected it to be. Okay, I'm gonna throw a couple prunes in there for Sister's digestive system. We'll do one more. 3 prunes for digestive health. Okay. Then I'm gonna blend it one more time and let y'all see. I'm gonna switch that top, show y'all how that top go on it. Look at that. That's just so, I love this thing already. So, what can I say so far? This thing is super powerful. It don't smell like it's burning. You know, normally when you get the little cheapy ones and you get them and you blend everything, it smells like the thing is about to catch on fire. It doesn't smell like it's about to catch on fire. You don't smell anything, as a matter of fact. You feel the power when it's going. You feel like on my countertop, I can feel it. It feels, this is awesome. Ninja, y'all did it this time. Thumbs up, okay?